How Klarna works. Klarna is a popular payment service that allows consumers to make purchases and pay for them later, either in installments or in full at a later date. It provides flexible payment options to increase convenience and accessibility, especially for online shopping. 1. Sign up and account setup. To use Klarna, customers must create an account via the Klarna app or website. The process involves providing personal information such as name, address, phone number, and payment details. Klarna may conduct a soft credit check, which does not impact the user's credit score. 2. Payment options available. Klarna offers several payment methods to cater to different financial needs. Pay in 4 installments. Split the purchase into 4 equal payments. The first payment is made at checkout, with the remaining payments due every 2 weeks. This option is interest-free if payments are made on time. Pay later in 30 days. Buy now and pay the full amount within 30 days with no interest or fees, giving customers time to try products before committing. Pay now. Pay the full amount immediately using a linked debit or credit card. Financing, 6 to 36 months. For larger purchases, Klarna offers longer-term financing plans. Interest rates apply based on the approved credit terms. 3. Shopping with Klarna. Klarna is available at numerous partner retailers. Shoppers can select Klarna at checkout when shopping online. The Klarna app also allows shopping at non-partner stores using a one-time virtual card. 4. How payments are processed. Payments are automatically deducted from the selected payment method, bank account, debit card, or credit card. Klarna sends reminders before payment due dates to avoid missed payments. 5. Fees and interest charges. Klarna's Pay in 4 and Pay in 30 days. Options are typically interest-free if paid on time. Late fees may apply if payments are missed, generally starting from $7 per missed payment, depending on the region. Financing plans come with interest rates ranging from 0% to 29.99% APR, based on the applicant's creditworthiness. Next to Klarna App Features. The Klarna app provides tools for tracking purchases and payments, creating shopping lists and receiving price drop alerts, accessing exclusive deals from partner stores, managing returns and refunds through Klarna's interface. 7th, Klarna's credit impact. Soft credit checks are performed for Pay in 4 and Pay later in 30 days options. These checks do not affect credit scores. Hard credit checks are conducted for financing applications, potentially impacting the credit score. 8. Safety and consumer protections. Klarna uses encryption and anti-fraud measures to protect user information. Customers also benefit from Klarna's buyer protection policy, which helps resolve issues with merchants. Klarna's flexible payment options provide consumers with increased financial flexibility when shopping. However, responsible use is essential to avoid late fees or debt accumulation.